Hey fellow YouTubers, this is Stan the Man Bad Raz. In this video you're about to see is a how-to how I install the electronic fuel pump in my VW. You'll see the relay switch and actually a toggle switch, which is will cut off the relay so the fuel won't be turning over when I play my stereo system. You'll see a wiring diagram and also the part number. So basically, hope you enjoyed this video on how I installed the electronic fuel pump system in my VW. Electronic fuel pump, but unfortunately I'm going to show you a step-by-step by my hand and verbally tell you how I installed it. So as you can see, no, you're not seeing double. It's polished aluminum firewall that I have, so you can see it from another angle because you're only allowed to come to my Volkswagen when I used to show from a certain distance, so you couldn't see what underneath where the suspension is and the beam, tie rods and everything, but just another perspective. So I used to have a reservoir right here running two lines going into my master cylinder to where that's where I used to put my brake fluid in. Took that out, used the two existing holes to install the electronic fuel pump by CB Performance. And so you can see this is the fuel pump, this is the fuel filter. So I used the two existing holes that I had from the bracket, and I install it this way. So you can see this goes to the gas tank, and the line going into here, going into the line that goes all the way back to the carburetors. But the gas flows in this direction, so it goes this direction. So it goes through the fuel filter, then while it's pumping, it goes through this way. So that's how this actually works. You got two wires you have to connect, and as you can see, I got the ground wire coming up through here, and just use this placement right here for the ground. And you got my you got the hot wire, and it goes channels up through here underneath, and it goes up to all the electronics. But I have it hooked up to a relay switch. So I have a kill switch. So when you turn the key once to play your stereo system, this fuel pump does not keep on pumping fuel. And you want to have that, and you'll be flooding with gas. So I'll show you where the relay is, how to connect the relay, and then the kill switch, how to, where I installed the kill switch. But that's basically an electronic fuel pump system, and that's what it looks like. Okay, YouTubers, we are here on the relay portion of the installing how to video for electric fuel pump. So this is the relay switch that I bought. So I have it hooked up also in addition to a toggle switch, so I can turn it on or off. So if the key is turned, you don't have to worry about gas running through your system and flooding your carburetors. But there's the numbers 31B that's labeled on this relay switch is the wire that goes to the negative portion of your coil, and 31 labeled is your ground, and then number 15 on the relay is to the switch to your ignition, 12 volt, and then 87 labeled on the relay switch goes to the positive end of your fuel pump. And the number 30 is the direct wire that goes to, which is this one, goes straight to your battery. In my case, I run it to the power wire inside here, inside the fuse block. And then this right here, there's two of them. This one is the other relay. I have a fuse block in there, and helps run to, so it doesn't blow out your relay switch. But this is the relay switch that's connected to the fuel pump in order to run electronic fuel pump. Here's a diagram how to connect everything all together. Right above the description where it says J, that's the relay switch part number. But that's the diagram. Okay, so right here is the switch I was telling you about, where this is on. So just in case if I play my stereo and turn the key, that the fuel doesn't keep on pumping out from the fuel fuel pump. And then this is when it's off. Okay, so it's on, and then the fuel pump is going on. So I installed that, so that's a kill switch. This part right here is where one of the wires coming through that loom extended from the relay switch. It goes all the way down through there and right to the coil number 11. That's the negative side of the coil coming from the relay switch. And that's how to connect one of the portions of the relay switch to complete electronic fuel pump.